Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not just stars or the moon, but a massive glowing ring stretching across the horizon. What if Earth had rings like Saturn? Would these rings be a breathtaking sight? Or would they bring disaster to our planet? Would they protect us from asteroids or make space travel impossible? Let's explore this alternate reality where Earth has rings. First things first, how would Earth look with rings? Unlike Saturn, which has ice and rock rings spread out over thousands of kilometers, Earth's rings would likely be much smaller but still spectacular. If you lived near the equator, the rings would appear as a giant arch stretching across the sky, always present, day or night. People near the poles would only see a thin glowing band in the sky, much like how the Milky Way appears to us today. The rings would reflect sunlight, creating a soft glow even in broad daylight. Beautiful? Absolutely. But Earth's climate would never be the same. The rings would block some sunlight, making equatorial regions cooler and polar regions warmer. Some places on Earth might be in constant shadow, creating cold and icy regions, even in areas that are normally warm today. Moonlit nights would be even brighter because the rings would reflect sunlight, eliminating true darkness in many areas. Imagine never seeing a completely dark sky again. No more Milky Way views, no more total eclipses. And it's not just the climate. Earth's gravity would interact with the rings, changing our ocean tides. Rings would create powerful ocean tides, causing massive coastal flooding in some areas. The uneven sunlight due to rings could create extreme weather patterns, leading to superstorms and unpredictable seasons. Would humans be able to adapt to such a world? Or would these changes make life near the oceans too dangerous? There's one big problem that no one talks about: our space missions. Earth's rings would be filled with rocks and ice, making it nearly impossible to send satellites into space safely. Astronauts would have to navigate through dangerous debris every time they left Earth's atmosphere. A single impact with ring debris could destroy entire space stations. Would we ever be able to go to Mars? Or would space exploration remain just a dream? On one hand, rings could be a shield. On the other, they could bring destruction. Rings could absorb asteroid impacts, preventing disasters like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. But what if the rings were unstable? What if they started falling apart? Rocks from the rings could rain down on Earth, causing constant meteor showers and destruction. Would Earth's rings be a blessing? Or a ticking time bomb waiting to destroy us? In the end, Earth never had rings like Saturn, but what if it did? Would our world be more beautiful, more dangerous, or completely unlivable? What do you think? Tell us in the comments. Would you love to live on a ringed Earth? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space theories.